Hey everyone, welcome to Miss Nene's Art. I'm Miss Nene, and thanks so much for joining me today. Today I am doing a diptych, and this will be a gift to my daughter. Several videos ago, I made another painting. I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like, and she saw it the other day, and she asked if she could have it for her birthday. So I said, oh, okay, cool. I'll give it to her for her birthday. But then she says, now all I need is something to go on the side of them. Turn it into a triptych. So right now I'm going to make something for her to complement the other painting that I made. So that's my goal for today. So I'm going to be using the same colors that I used in the first painting. Again, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put a link so you can see it. And I'm going to put a picture right here so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. This is a painting that I made several videos ago, and the painting that you see me making today, the two, is going to go with that painting. So, at the end of the day, it's going to be a triptych. So yeah, I'm using the same colors so that it can complement that big centerpiece picture. And it's going to be a gift to my daughter. So I hope she enjoys that. I hope you enjoy this video as well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Your opinion on your opinion and your thoughts on this particular painting. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I'm doing more things. Also, I'm going to be showing you the close-up and the dry results, and I'm going to show you what they all look like together as a set. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I will be back near the end. Thanks for joining me, guys. All right, so yeah, I'm done. I think this is it. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. Here's the close-up of it. Yeah, I love it. It turned out exactly the way that I was hoping that it would. The metallic colors, the bronze, the gold, the white, everything is just perfect, and it's going to complement the other paintings so beautifully. And these cells, I didn't use any silicone. I love these cells, these little clusters of cells that formed in the painting. So pretty. Wow. So I had some leftover paint, and I just threw them on some, made some coasters. So when these dry, I'll just slap some resin on them. But here's the dry results. Look at that. Still a little wet, but for the most part, you can see most of it is dry. And look at the gold. It's just glowing. This whole painting is just glowing. I can't wait to, in a couple weeks, varnish this painting. Yep, everything turned out really well. The colors are so stunning. I'm so happy with this one. I can't wait to give it to her. Look at that. It looks like there's an eye right there. It looked like an eye. First, it looked like the paint had split, but it's not. It's completely flat, and it looks like an eye. That is so weird. It's so weird how different things just form in your paintings. Okay, so here it is together with the other painting. There it is. I hope that she loves this painting. I'm sure she will, but this is the set. This was fun doing. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, I would love to read your thoughts on this. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Again, I appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe and like, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. So stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.